Hello everyone. In this topic, we discussed about the ideal and practical characteristics of operational amplifier. As we know that operational amplifier performs the different types of mathematical operations. Therefore, the name is OpAmp. So, first we discussed about the ideal characteristics of operational amplifier. Ideal characteristics of operational amplifier: it has infinite voltage gain indicated by AOL or only A. It is the differential open loop gain and is infinite for an ideal op-amp. Differential open loop gain means input is the difference of the two inputs terminal, inverting and non-inverting. The next characteristics is infinite input resistance Rin, so that almost any signal source can drive it and there is no loading of the preceding or the previous stage. The infinite input impedance of the operational amplifier ensures that no current can flow into an ideal operational amplifier. Zero output resistance R0. It ensures that the output can drive an infinite number of other devices. There is no loading problem. Infinite impedance output impedance means the output voltage of the op-amp remains constant irrespective of the value of the load resistance. That means if any load we connected, the output is constant. Zero output voltage when input is 0. Infinite bandwidth, so that any frequency signal from 0 to infinite hertz can be amplified without any attenuation. Which means that the gain of the operational amplifier will be constant over the frequency range from 0 frequency to the infinite frequency. So, operational amplifier can amplify DC as well as AC signal. It has infinite CMRR, means infinite common mode rejection ratio, so that output common mode noise voltage is 0. The ratio of differential gain and common mode gain is called as the CMRR, means ideal op-amp has a 0 common mode gain. Due to this common mode noise, output voltage is 0 for an ideal op-amp. Infinite slew rate, which ensures that change in the output voltage occurs simultaneously with change in the input voltage. Slew rate is the most important parameter for the operational amplifier. When the input voltage is changed, at that time simultaneously output voltage change. If output does not change with the same rate as the input, then there occurs distortions at the output. The next are the characteristics for practical op-amp. The open loop voltage gain AO is maximum and finite. Typical value for the practical operational amplifier is considered to be 2 into 10 raised to 5. The input impedance is maximum and it is finite. That is, the input impedance is in the order of 100 kilo ohm or more. The output impedance is minimum but not 0. It is in the order of 100 or less. The common mode rejection ratio is maximum and finite. The bandwidth is maximum and finite. That means it can amplify DC to 1 MHz signal. The next are the parameters of operational amplifier. Input offset voltage. The ideal OpAmp produces 0 volts output for 0 volts input called the input offset voltage. Input bias current, which is the average of both the inputs currents. That means the current flowing through the inverting and non-inverting terminal. Input impedance is infinite or very large. Input offset current. The input offset current is the difference of the input bias current, which is expressed as an absolute. IOS is equal to modulus of I1 minus I2, where I1 and I2 are the non-inverting and inverting input currents. Common mode rejection ratio, CMRR, it is the ratio of differential gain to the common mode gain, where differential gain is denoted by A suffix D and common mode gain is denoted by ACM. Slew rate. Slew rate is the change of output voltage with respect to the input. Thank you for watching.